Hello everyone, good evening. It's Changi Airport. Now I am heading towards the airport that is called Suvarnabhumi International Airport from here in the Sukhumvit Road in Bangkok. So that's the view of the hotel as I am just sitting on the Harmony Hotel in Sukhumvit, so 11. So let's go and head towards the airport. It will take 1.5 hours, but it depends on the traffic. First, I am going to Suvarnabhumi Airport from this area, Sukhumvit. So this is my last time. I am so sad. Anyway, we have to go to our state. So that's the view of the Sukhumvit. Just reached at the Suvarnabhumi Airport from Bangkok. As you can see, this is the airport entrance gate number 6. From the entrance gate number 6, we have Malaysia, Vietnam Airlines, Cathay Pacific, Singapore. So that's the view of the whole airport. As you can see, it's too easy to have and look around the whole airport from Bangkok. So now I'm going to enter through the gate number 6. So let's go and have a look inside the whole airport. So this is the first impressions of Suvarnabhumi International Airport. It is the main hub of Southeast Asia up to Changi Airport. In area, we have to check this information pretty pressure. We have Busan, that area. So that's the view of the whole information area. Now I'm going to check in my flight from which counter the check-in will be issued. It's very nice to have in Thai airport. This is Suvarnabhumi Airport. We have to buy some products right here in the Family Mart, it's cheap, but in other vendor in the airport it is very costly. So we have to have this product to each Family Mart in Thailand. Again, I see the departure cert, so that my flight will not meet anymore. Number J, only for Thai Airways, international economy. So this is very nice, because it is the hub of the Thai Airways. So my row is about to change for W. Previously I had, as you can see, Calcutta 98. Previously I had in row number E. Right now my row is changed to W. After immigration security check, now I am at vet-free area of Suvarnabhumi Airport. Right, 5:15 in the morning. Go F1. So let's go to have the gate. So that's the view of the whole Suvarnabhumi International Airport right here. Just now I'm going to get number F1. We will get number F1 this side. This side and this side. Maybe F46, yeah. Okay, we have. So that's the view. Sitting on the gate F in Suvarnabhumi International Airport today is a very bad day for me, because yesterday already my flight had departed. This is because of my fault. Again, tonight I had to pay $200 for buying a new ticket. Anyway, we have to go for our destinations. Announcement is done for Qatar Airways from here to Doha. As you can see, this is the basement for a flight likes to Calcutta right here from Bangkok. Everyone are to have a seat.